Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this more neutral metallic smooshy marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever you prefer. The polishes we'll be using today are from Color Club's Matte Metallics collection. The gold is What's the Matter, the teal is Matte About You, and the rose gold is Material Girl. I'll be using the rose gold as my base color, and once I have that applied, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex. For my Smooshy, I'm going to be using my MoU London Crystal Clear Stamper, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply 3 drops of each color to the top. Once you're done with all your nails, you can go ahead and clean up around the edges, and as usual, I'm using a small brush dipped in acetone. Finally, once you're done with cleanup, you can go ahead and finish with a top coat if you like, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. This is using the same mattified metallics collection from Color Club as the bright metallic smooshy marble, and to be honest, I probably liked the bright one a little bit better, but I think these more neutral tones are really nice for fall, and I like this one a lot too. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.